Okay, hello, my name's Andrew, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial in how to switch your RAM in your computer. First of all, I'm going to switch my current RAM in my computer with these. These are currently 2GB sticks each, and in my computer I have two 1GB sticks, which means that there's 2GB of RAM in my computer, and after this upgrade there's going to be 4GB. Okay, first of all, unhitch this case. Alright. In my computer there is a RAM fan, but probably most likely there's not in every computer, so I'll just untake this. And there we can see the two RAM sticks, there and there. Okay, to take them out, in mine I've got to clip up these little clips, so that makes the RAM stay in there, but we have to unclip these. Alright. And the RAM just takes out. See, this is a 1GB stick. Alright. Installing the RAM, make sure that gold lining, first of all make sure you don't touch that gold lining. Right, and just hook it back into the place where your old RAM was, and you should hear a click. Like so. And now for the second RAM, just shove it in the second slot. Alright, very easy. Okay, now all we got to do is put the RAM fan back on. Like so. And now all we have to do is attach the case back on. Excuse me while I just put the case back on. Okay, and there we are. Very simple. Thank you for watching my tutorial today on how to change RAM on your computer.